What's up, guys? Welcome back to another vlog. Today I'm going to do unboxing and first impression video of Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra. This is the 5G version, and I pre-ordered this one. So this is the one you guys going to get for Australia. So without further ado, let's go and uh, open this one up. So when we are opening, I already cut the seal. So here we have the device. It have a 6.9 inch screen with infinity O display, and we also have something here. So I think this is the sim ejection tool, and I think we also have some guides inside. I think we also got back clear back cover for Note 9. I don't think with Note 20 Ultra we are getting any back covers. So here we have the quick start guide and the warranty card. I think, yeah, it's the warranty card. So that's all for that box, so we can keep it aside. So here we have the device. It's a gorgeous looking device, and I have to say this is the best, one of the best yet from Samsung. So guys, it's a massive screen. As I said earlier, it's a 6.9 inch screen with we have three cameras on the back. I think one is have 108 megapixel, and we also have laser autofocus. This is a fingerprint magnet, and obviously both and front are glass, and I choose the mystic black color. You can also choose this one from mystic white and mystic bronze. Yeah, it's a beautiful device. So we also have 12 GB RAM, and this is the Exynos 990 version. If you are in US and Korea, you will get the Snapdragon version also. So inside we have the another leaflet. I think this one for the Samsung Care Plus. Yeah, we can keep it aside. So inside the box we are getting a power adapter. Yeah, I think it's a super adaptive, super fast charging. It supports super fast charging also. You can see the features on the back. Let me clear it up. Yes, so we also get I think this is an empty box. This one may be the container for additional tips for the S Pen and the removal tool. We don't get it for Australia, I think. Then we have the charging cable. So this is USB type C to USB type C. Yeah, I think they removed the USB type A after the Note 10. So we also have the AKG earphones, and I think for some countries they are not going to include this, like USA where they are getting Snapdragon version. So this is AKG from AKG earphones, and it also connects for USB type C, and we also get some extra tips. And in the phone we are also getting 4500 milliampere hour battery, lithium ion battery. And if I can remember correct, in the S20 Ultra we got a 5000 milliampere hour battery, but they reduce it to like 4500 milliampere this time. So let's power it on. Yeah, yes, okay, yeah, you can see here Note 20 Ultra 5G. I will set up this one and get back to you guys soon. Hey guys, yeah, here's the device. I set up it up, and yeah, it's a beautiful display, and I think, yeah, this one also support 120 hertz. So, and this is the 5G version, and the weight of this device, I think it's about 208 grams, and the front and back are with glass, and it is the Gorilla Glass Victus. And we also have the pen here, and I think that this time they reduced the latency up to 9 milliseconds. So, and we also have stainless steel frame, and this time this side we have power button and the music control. At the top we have the microphone and the SIM ejection tool, and you can see the camera bump clearly in this device. So we have 108 megapixel camera with uh, 12 megapixel two cameras, I think. One is I think periscope telephoto camera, and other one is ultra wide camera. So one of the best devices yet, and it also support uh, extension for memory up to I think more 512. And this is a dynamic AMOLED 2x capacitive touch screen with 16 colors, and resolution is 1440 into 3088 pixels. We also have always on display, and the current OS is Android 10 with One UI 2.5. And for CPU we have octa-core and processor, and we have also I also told you guys earlier it's a Exynos 990 version. So this is the camera. We have up to 50x zoom. So at more I think we have some other display modes for the camera. Yeah, in settings I will show you the I think yeah, we have yeah, this is as I said earlier, this is One UI 2.5 with Android 10. So I think yeah, we also can record up to 8K with 24 frames per second, and 4K up to 30 or 60 frames per second. So guys, this is the device from Samsung, and this is the one you will get for Australia mostly. And there was no headphone jack, and I got it from Vodafone, so huge thank for that Vodafone for providing me with the device. We also have a fingerprint sensor on the front. And guys, that's it for this video, and I will also get a full review about this phone later. And this also support fast charging up to 25 watt, I think. And yeah, also support reverse wireless charging up to 9 watt, and USB power delivery is from 3.0 port, I think. And I need to say guys, display is awesome in this device. That will be the one of the main functions that highlights in the device. And we also have other sensors like accelerometer, gyro, proximity, compass, and barometers. So guys, enjoy the video. I will see you guys in another video soon with more reviews from Note 20 Ultra 5G.